you ever felt global warming or the natural disasters? I felt it. Do you know that it is so closely related to global warming and natural disasters? First, global warming refers to the rise in the temperatures of the Earth's upper surface. I firmly believe that there is a strong relationship between global warming and the natural disasters. I will introduce some natural disasters caused by global warming to support my opinion, such as heat waves, forest fires, and hurricanes. People can think of heat waves just as severe heat when they hear the word the heat waves. However, the heat waves are one of certain natural disasters that cause enormous damage. Exposure to heat waves for a long time in summer can lead to a heat stroke or sunstroke. In addition, people can be died because of the heat waves in the serious situation. So heat waves paralyzes the electricity supply, medical system, transportation, and the risk of accident increases. Therefore, the heat waves are one of the natural disasters caused by global warming. Higher temperature and drier weather due to climate change and forest fires. If the Earth's temperatures continue to rise, forest fires will also worsen. When a forest fire occurs, a large amount of carbon dioxide is emitted. For example, the Australian forest fire are called the worst, emitted 400 million tons of carbon dioxide is emitted. As forest burns, a large amount of carbon dioxide is emitted, making the global warming worse. Frequent large forest fires caused by global warming become carbon dioxide again, repeating the vicious cycle of the worsening global warming. The driving force of typhoons or hurricanes is warm seawater. As seawater warms, hot and humid water vapor gathers on the surface of the water as the water evaporates. And the low temperature continues to suck up steam or heat wind creating, and it develops into a typhoon or hurricane. As the temperature of the sea level rises due to global warming, the intensity of the typhoons becomes stronger. Most typhoons are made in the sea above 27 Celsius. Strong typhoons are accompanied by strong winds and heavy rains, cause the various weather damage. There is a big link between global warming and natural disasters. For example, heat waves, forest fires, and hurricanes are all natural disasters caused by global warming. Methods to prevent global warming include reducing the use of electricity, using transportation, and saving water. I know the world does not change overnight. However, some small changes together and together make big changes. Thank you very much.